What's going on, everybody? It's Tactical Trash Panda once again with another unboxing video. Well, it's not really an unboxing video, but it's gonna be an unboxing video. That's what I'm gonna call it. Because if you can remember last time when I did an unboxing video for the SIG, what's that thing called? The SIG Romeo 5. There was something special inside the box that I didn't want to show you guys just yet. So this is what it is. I was waiting for this because, as you can see, I got my Brownells BOP patch right here. And I also have an HCM Holsters patch right there. And there's a reason for that, because HCM wanted to send this out to me to do a quick review. They've been helping me out. I'm helping them out. That's what friends do. So they got something special for this right here. So let's get to it. Yes, sir. As you can see on the box right there, that's the Modlite. Which Modlite is it? Well, it's the PL350 Modlite. Now, this light is still fairly very new on the market at the moment, which means there's not too many holster companies that are making holsters for this. They don't have the mold for it just yet. Well, that's why HCM came into play. Sarge was like, hey, Trash Panda, you mind doing a review for this light? Because not too many people still have it yet. I was like, hell yeah, brother, just send it over. So, let's see what else is in the box. Comes with the cards. That's pretty cool. It has a quick start guide. I may have to check that out because this light is brand new to me. I don't know how to work it. Alright, so I don't see a battery in here. I do see a charger. That's pretty dope that they would send that out. They got the USB micro, or if you have an Android, you can charge this thing up with your Android cord. Alright, so you can look up there, there's some slots right there. So it looks like you could change out your tail switches right here depending on how you like them. They got different options in here. Let's take this out. Since there's no battery in there, I'm assuming the battery is in the light. It does feel kind of heavy at the moment. I'll take a look at that. So yeah, you got different activating switches. I guess you could swap them out if you like. And you have the 1913 style pick rail adapter. And you have a universal adapter for, I guess, your Glocks and Glock types. Anything that doesn't accept the universal 1913. So let's get started. I do need the 1913 for this. Let's put this away. Break that off. I guess I'm gonna have to put this on my 19, so I guess it goes in this way, or maybe this way. I think I'm putting it on. I'm gonna pause the video, figure it out, I'll come back to you. Alright, so I believe that's how it goes in. So I was looking at the video, and the battery did come already pre-installed. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to come or not, because in their video on their website, this came in a separate package, and it looked like there was supposed to be two in the box. I'm not sure, but the guy did say that the initial charge is going to take like a really long time, like almost a day, I think. And you just put it in like this, you'll get a green light if it's completely charged. If it's still charging, it'll be red. I'm not sure if it was supposed to come with two. I'm not sure why it's pre-installed, but that's how I received it. So, boom. Now, I did have to take a look at this because the way this thing fits on your rails, you do need a Torx bit. you don't know what a Torx bit is, it's that star-shaped bit. It does take a T20 if you're just curious. So let's unscrew this. Pops out. As you can see, I had to take off my G19 slide because, well, HCM sent me a holster to review. This is Angry Sarge's holster. Man, this thing is fucking awesome. It's got that I'm not sure what this thing is called, the lock on it. So locks into place. So if you're military, law enforcement, or security that needs to wear outside the waistband holster, a lot of times, you know, your company or your LEO office, they'll require you to have a lock on your holster, which is easy. This one, you just push in and it pops open. This does fit the Safariland holster, QLS holster. This thing, it's like a basket weave style. Man, this thing is freaking awesome. This thing looks so clean. Oh my goodness. So this is for a G19. I do have a polymer 80 G19 style. I had to swap it out with my 22 conversion slide for obvious reasons. This holster is not meant for a comp. It does have a RMR cut up top. Unfortunately, I just have a plain Jane right here. So let's take a look at this install. Alright, so I'll probably have to loosen this up a little bit more. There we go. I'm not gonna torque it too much. Whew, man, look at that thing. Let's move this aside. Look at that thing. Man. That is a big ass light. Especially for a 19. This would really look nice on a 34. So, alright, so I just took this thing off and you see there's two slots. So I ended up moving the pick portion to the upmost front one. And that seems to help out. It's not as far up now. So let's tighten that back up. I'm not gonna. All right, that's good enough right there. So there you go. That's how it looks. I like to feel the switches now. They're more comfortable. So that's how it's supposed to look. Now let's get to the holster and see how this thing fits. Positive click. Locks into place. Guys, this thing is freaking awesome. Doesn't take too much effort. A little bit of training. A little bit of training and you can get that. That's a nice option. I might actually order a holster with one of these now. That way nobody can just come up behind you and just grab your holster if they don't know what it is. But as you can see, there's plenty of space up there. Again, this is meant for an optic cut. I don't have an optic on this slide particularly, but hey man, this thing. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do this on video. So it's got a positive click. Locks into place. Even with my aftermarket 22 slide, this slide is slightly thicker than an OEM slide. So some holsters just don't fit this one too good. I'm not having that issue with this holster. Man. So, back to it, guys. If you're planning on getting a PL350 Modlite, or already have one and looking for a holster option, make sure to hit up HCM Holsters. If you do want to purchase a Modlite, you could order one off Brownells, where I found them, and they are still in stock. They actually have quite a few different types. I did not know that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different types. One of them is in stock at the moment. The other ones, you could put in your email and it'll notify you once it is in stock. And if you are going to purchase from Brownells, I do have an affiliate link, which I'll plug back on the bottom of this video. Guys, thanks for watching. Again, if you're looking for any holster, go to my friends hcmholsters.com and order from them. They have high quality holsters. Man, this thing is freaking nice. I'm like speechless whenever I look at their holsters, or whenever I check out their holsters. This thing is beautiful. So I'll plug in their link as well in the description box. Guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like, subscribe, share button, leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about these. So if there's anything that I can improve on, let me know. I'm all about constructive criticism. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Make sure to check out HCM Holsters and Brownells.com. Thanks a lot. Take care.